We have a number of teams that come from all over the world to Cambridge. 72 hours odd of jamming over 3 days, Friday to Sunday. At the end of this, they put their games on gaming PCs or tablets. You have a team of judges that awards various prizes to the different games.
It gives them a challenge. It's a nice weekend, gives them a great challenge, lets them test their skill out, lets them talk to other people, other teams, even from around the world. So it's really good for them to get together and have this kind of challenge.
This is my first time at Brains Eden and it's absolutely fantastic. The amount of talent that we've come across here is phenomenal. We're here just to try and talk to as many kids as possible, convince them that the gaming industry is where they want to be and build their career. There's so much opportunity and there's just so much talent.
You'll have the opportunity to participate in other game jams, you'll have the opportunity to make other games. However, having access to 100 plus other game development students who are just as passionate as you are about games, that's something that you'll mostly only get here.
Frontier's been sponsoring Brains Eden now for a number of years, and it's fantastic to come here again and see the great games that the students here are making, and also to speak to them about how we can support them in getting into the industry as well.
People who have found internships, people who have made friends, people who have actually released games or got funding for their games out of Brains Eden. Always keep an open mind.
Here we have some of the best, brightest minds in this gaming industry, so it's really exciting. It's a great place to get them all together, for us to get in front of them. Yeah, we're just huge fans. We've hired some of our best coders, some of our best artists and designers have come from this program and are now doing really well. Relationship that I think we're very proud of and we're really fond of, and we look forward to coming back again next year and forevermore.